Hello everyone, split your hair vertically into two sections and have ponytails on each of them. Then bring the top part of the ponytail and the bottom part, have a wrap band, create a loop and drop the tail into it, scrunch it to a top, bring the braid back, making a bow tie, and braid the remaining part of the ponytail, make it to a top and have it secured by dropping a beautiful hair cluster in the middle. Once again, do the ponytail in the same way as we did before and have hair wax and split the tail into two and have a wrap band attach the top part and scrunch it into the middle, making a lump and have it secured with the wrap band. With the remaining tail we have it split into two and braid it and have multiple wrap bands at the bottom, make it curvy and drop your favorite hair cluster in the middle of the bow tie. Split the back section of the hair into two sections and have ponytail on each of them. Then drop a beautiful hair cluster that has ribbons which have been already made to a bow tie. Then split a ponytail at the top into two and have it braided along with the ribbon and combine with the ponytail at the bottom and have it secured by dropping a beautiful hair bun. Split your hair vertically into two sections and have hair wax applied to it and have it into multiple parts and have ponytails on each of them. Then have hair cluster onto it, bottom and secure with a rubber band. Split your hair from the back vertically into two sections and have a beautiful hair cluster on top of it which has ribbons which have been already made into a bow tie. Then have a top part of each section into three parts and have it braided along with the ribbon. You know how to braid it, keep crossing them, but when you cross it one time, have strips of hair going between the braids gap which has been already been borrowed from either side. So then borrow it and have it crossed again. This is how you should braid it. Then braid it as normal as you would do later on and have the end secure with a rubber band. Split your hair vertically into two sections and grab the top part of it, split them into three parts and have it braided in thicker manner. Then after that, grab the section right below that and have strips of hair borrowed from it and have it braided with the braid we already have. Then borrow excess hair from the sides, making the ridges visible and continue the braiding until you empty every hair at the bottom section of it. Then after that, do the braiding as normal as you would do later on and secure the end with the rubber band and fold it to half and make it there by dropping a little hair bar. Have a ponytail and split the tail into two parts and have a beautiful hair cluster that has ribbons which has been already made into a bow tie and you have to braid it. This is a different braid, so grab a set of ribbon and a tail on both of your hands and keep swapping the ribbons and the tail respectively. So this is how you should braid it. Braid it until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with a rubber band. It's very simple, right? Anyone can do it. So if you want, you can decorate with your lovely hairband in the middle. Split your hair at the back vertically into two sections and move on to the side and grab the top part of it, split them into three parts and have it braided with strips of hair going between the braids gap. This is the usual braid we do. So continue doing the braiding until you empty every hair in that section and making the ridges visible and braid as normal as you would do later on and have it secure with a beautiful hair cluster. Split your hair from the front on the right side into two and have the back section into the circular ridge manner, and in the middle section and also on the right section we already split it. Have it braided with strips of hair going between the braids gap. Then combine both of them at the bottom and have it braided as well. Then drop your favorite hair cluster. Have a ponytail and have a very beautiful hair cluster that has ribbons which has been already made into a bow tie and split a ponytail into two and have it braided along with the ribbon. This is a very simple version of braid. Keep crossing the braid so that the left one goes to the right, it comes back. Comb the middle section of your hair and separate away from the back section and have the top part of the middle section split them into three parts and have it braided with strips of hair going in between the braids gap. You know how to braid it, we already said. So do the braiding until you empty every hair in the middle section and do the braiding as normal as you do later on and do the same braiding on the left side. Combine both the braids together with the rubber and the back and secure with a beautiful hair cluster. A simple smooth bun. Straighten your ponytail using a bun maker and roll it to the top and bend it forming a circle and cover the excessive bun maker by extending the hair. Then drop in your beautiful bun cover. Thank you everyone for watching this video.